Good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guide. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. आवाज आ रही है? चेक कर लीजिए पहले. First of all, big congratulations to all the candidates, those who got selected. I have a long list. Literally, it is impossible for me to present the name of every selected student in front of you today. The few messages which I was able to take from the screenshot that I'm going to put today in the session. But there is a very long list, extremely long list, and I was very happy after watching so many messages. More than 400 to 500 messages are there in the inbox yesterday regarding the selection, and so based on that, I would consider that selection ratio was very good. And the new year, actually it was a new year for me. When I started watching that messages, got selected from here, sir, got selected from there. So I was very happy. So happy new year to all of you. Second thing, those who missed their merit list because of small margin, understand that margin, that small margin, is the remaining challenge between you and your selection, and that is already very small. So you are almost selected, you are very near to selection. Just you need to collect all your energy one more time, put your efforts, observe it properly in which area you are lagging actually, and work over it. If current affairs is a challenge, I would definitely recommend all of you, those who are preparing for upcoming examination, don't do mistake, start watching daily current affairs. It is very essential for your upcoming examinations as well as for interview. So 1st and 2nd of January 2025 current affairs I am going to cover today in the session. Happy New Year to all of you. This is going to be the first session for the year 2025, right? And my health is also improving with the time. So the major news highlights which we are going to cover today, let's see them. First of all, Reserve Bank of India new guidelines. Reserve Bank of India new guidelines that 3 different type of account to be closed, to be shut down from 1st of January 2025. RBI said that 3 different type of account to be closed, to be shut down from 1st of January 2025. So what these accounts are, why RBI is closing these account, we will be talking about it. What will be the impact of closing these account on the banking sector, or maybe you should act quickly, otherwise one of the account of yours also may get closed. Then RBI introduced new lookup facility of NEFT and RTGS. So lookup facility, what it is and when it will be implemented, in depth I'll explain you. Reserve Bank of India Innovation Hub, RBI Innovation Hub, one of the subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, recently collaborated with one NBFC called VV5 Finance. Company name is VV5 Finance. With this company for launching the pilot project to offer the uncollateral loan or without collateral loan facility for the gig workers. Gig workers means the drivers of Ola, Uber, Rapido, delivery agents of Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. They come under the category of gig workers. So to provide them lending facility when collaboration have been done. State Bank of India Life, SBI Life, to acquire 10% stake in Bima Sugam India Federation at the cost of 6.6 crore. Now question is, what is the meaning of this Bima Sugam India Federation? What it is? Bima Sugam kya hai? Because it was there in the news as a part of Bima Trinity. Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak, Bima Vistar. So Bima Sugam, actually what it is? What is Bima Vahak? What is Bima Vistar? I'll explain you all today in the session. Apart from that, few days before, not days, few months before, in the month of October, actually October 2024, the first CEO of Bima Sugam was appointed. Do you remember the name of the first CEO of Bima Sugam? Bima Sugam के पहले CEO का नाम आपको याद है तो बताइएगा. Income Tax Relief CBDT Central Board of Direct Tax extended the deadline for Vivad Se Vishwas scheme till 31st of January 2025. Previously deadline was 31st of December 2024. Deadline has been extended for one more month. एक महीने के लिए और इसको extend किया गया है, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. India's defense export crosses 21,000 crore rupee. Rajnath Singh have presented the data, Defense Minister of India. So here I have the messages from our TNA not only TNA heroes, from the users of Guidely. Mainly these are the student of interview batch of RRB PO 2024. ये सारे बच्चे RRB PO 2024 interview batch के students हैं. So congratulations. I'll quickly take the name, and I'm saying it again. I was practically not able to take each and every comment from you people. मतलब मैं हर किसी का जो जो मैसेज था नहीं कलेक्ट कर पा रहा था. दैट वाज एक्चुअली इम्पॉसिबल फॉर मी, एंड आई वाज हैप्पी फॉर दैट इम्पॉसिबल टास्क, दैट आई एम अनेबल टू पिक द मैसेज ऑफ एवरीवन. तो जो साथ साथ में थे मैंने वो पिक कर लिए. सो कौशल, नेहा, सभाजीत, प्रतीक, मैथ्यू, शुभम, थैंक यू guys, thank you for the messages, thank you for informing me on your selection, and big congratulations to all of you. Tarun, Vikas, Netra, Harsh, after that Bazinga, congratulations man. Priya, Alok, Khushi, Alok, Neha, Raj, another Neha, there were 2-3 Neha those who got selected. Yoshi, Priyanka, Ashwarya, Bhupendra, after that Lalit, congratulations man. Vaishali, congratulations. Manvi, Shri Kirtana, Divya Tripathi, Yashika, congratulations. Shreya, congratulations. Vicky, Simran, big congratulations to you. Krituka, Arpit Palji, congratulations. Midhu, Dhruv, and Trivendra Bhattiji, congratulations. Mahua, after that Vinayak, Priyanka, Kundan Das, Sai, big congratulations. Then Sayantan, congratulations. Dhruv, Rutvik, Shashank, Tulsi, congratulations. There are lots of long list. Big congratulations to everyone. Naveen message I have seen late night. Naveen is actually preparing. If I'm not wrong, Naveen is preparing with me from more than 1.5 years, and wherever I was, Naveen was one of my common students. Currently Naveen is there in the chat box. So Naveen, big congratulations to get selected as a RRBP in Tamil Nadu. And yesterday I missed the message of Naveen in morning itself. So big congratulations. Or Karnataka, from Karnataka also there were lots of selections. Rakshit was one of them. Rakshit, congratulations for getting selected from Karnataka. So I was very happy yesterday. I hope your family members were also. So soon this list, in such type of list, new names will get added for IBPS PO, UBI LBO, Indian Bank LBO, NIS CLAO. So guys, prepare well for your examination. I'll try, and definitely I'll put my 100% effort, not less than 100%, my 100% effort to give you best possible content with the best possible mentorship for the upcoming interviews and upcoming examination. चलिए सर, स्टार्ट करते हैं, आगे मूव करते हैं. Reserve list is waiting list. Reserve list is waiting list. I'll make a separate video on the reserve list. Soon I'll make a separate video on the reserve list. ठीक है, चलो आगे मूव करते हैं. So IBPS PO personalized interview batch is live, guys. Those who are preparing for it can prepare well with me without any hesitation, with the complete confidence. Take randomly feedback from any student, those who have attended RRB PO interview, and after that join IBPS PO interview. Randomly from any student, either the student selected or not. Even non-selected student have up to 85 and 90 marks in interview out of 100. So they were happy from the interview performance, that because of the mains marks were low, they were unable to make the name in the merit list. चलिए homework के questions पर आते हैं. Which of the following bank in India introduced first ever transparent credit card in the history? Correct answer was ICICI Bank. Second, a mobile number can be linked with how many account of a customer? So more than one. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 15. Does not have any such limit. Interest on the saving bank deposit calculated on daily basis. Calculation done on daily basis. It is like calculated daily, and after that credited to the account on a quarterly basis. Rate of interest is yearly. Calculation is daily. Credit credited to account quarterly. So rate of interest is yearly, annually, calculation is daily, and account credited quarterly. This is the concept you should remember. Homework questions for tomorrow. Which of the following is the winner of RBI at the rate 90 quiz? In these of the following, which is the winner of RBI at the rate 90 quiz? Which institution secured the second position in RBI at the rate 90 quiz? And third question, which fintech company recently received approval to launch the healthcare services subsidiary in December 2024? तो दिसंबर का क्वेश्चन है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा, दिसंबर करंट अफेयर्स. Let's move to the regulatory news. Let's move to the regulatory news. News number 1. Yes, Rakshit, you are supporting a lot in because see, you people, those who got selected now, there will be lots of preparing candidate will ask you that what is the uh, key success to get selected, or how you prepare, what was the strategy. If you have understand the importance of daily current affairs, I would request, it is not necessary you should tell them only Aditya sir daily current affairs, but tell them that current affairs is important. Let them decide to whom they want to follow, but tell them the importance of daily current affairs. That is actually important. Okay, thank you Rakshit, thank you for that. Reserve Bank of India new guideline for the year 2025 on January 1st 2025, the first circular which we are going to discuss in the new year, that is 3 different type of bank account to be closed started from January 1st 2025. What are the 3 different type of bank account which are going to be closed? Point number 1, dormant account. What is the meaning of dormant account, inactive account? Let's understand first. Dormant account are the account which are not in use for the duration of 2 years. अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट लास्ट 2 years से यूज में नहीं है, you are not at all using your bank account from the last 2 years, then the account will be converted into dormant account. As per the current scenario, these dormant account required to be done re-KYC. इसके लिए क्या करना होता है हमको? Re-KYC का नीड होता है. We need to go to the bank, or digitally we need to go for the e-KYC, but only after the KYC your dormant account get activated. If the account is not in use for the duration of 1 year, if the account is not in use for the duration of 1 year, only 1 year, 12 months over, not 2 years, so it is in between 12 months to 24 months, or 1 year to 2 year, account is not in use. In that case, it is called inactive account. Inactive account. So in the inactive account, if you want to activate it again, so we need to do one transaction: deposit the money, withdraw it again, deposit the money, withdraw it again. Your account will get activated without KYC also. KYC का नीड नहीं है, ये वापस से आपका एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड इनएक्टिव अकाउंट. अच्छा, डोरमेंट अकाउंट which is get closed after 2 years is also called inoperative account. Dormant account is also called inoperative account. Is that clear? Inoperative account. So what is the meaning of inoperative account? Dormant account is also known as inoperative account. So inactive, which is not in use for 1 year, inoperative, which is not in use for 2 years. This is the concept. Third, zero balance account. Now zero balance account, we are not at all talking about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan account. We are not at all talking about BSBD account. BSBDA are exempted from this guideline. BSBDA exempted from this guideline. They are not included in this guideline. So zero balance account means I have a normal saving account, and in my saving account it's being more than 1 year. There is no amount. I'm not using my account. There is no balance in my account. Although there is a minimum balance requirement. मेरे account में एक minimum balance requirement है, but I'm not managing minimum balance requirement. So here we can say that the account where minimum balance is not maintained. Minimum balance not maintained. Not managed. These 3 types of accounts are going to get closed These three types of accounts are going to get closed now onwards from 1st of January 2025. Tell me, is this first guideline is clear? RBI said to bank, that bank, what do you need to do? Yes sir, tell me sir. Inactive account, okay sir. Inoperative account or dormant account, okay sir. And the account where minimum balance is required, but people are not maintaining minimum balance, okay sir, close all these accounts. Bank said okay sir. So banks are going to close it now. Banks are going to close it now. Getting my point? Yeah. Rakshit, I need a small video from your end about your strategy and the final selection. So I'll upload it on the YT channel. Other student will also get an idea. Okay, how you have inculcate the GA and prepared well, and after that finally got selected. So I need one video from your end. Okay, either in English or in Kannada. Sir, about SBI saving account. SBI saving account, they remove the minimum balance. Not in all the accounts, Joy. Not in all the account. Minimum balance will be there. There is always a minimum balance. Okay? Very minimum balance are required. Even in the SBI also you need to maintain certain small amount. But it still we will check it again. Okay? Now the question is, why RBI issues this guideline? What is going to be the impact of it? So when you will be going for interview in the upcoming days, they will ask you, what is going to be the impact of this decision by the Reserve Bank of India? Point number one, it is going to increase the financial safety by closing the inactive account which is not used by, for example, I'm not in need of that account facility. I'm not in need of that account facility. I don't use that account. So maybe frauders, the people, those who are aware of, remember Mull account? I've explained you a few days before Mull account, Mull hunter. People, there are few accounts opened by me, but I'm not using it. There is a target group, those who are doing fraud in the banking system. They will start taking over the control of my account, and after that they will start using it, and I'll not be aware about it. So to avoid such thing, that actually account holder is not aware that his account is used by some other people for the money laundering activity and all. Just give me 1 second. This is third or fourth call. Someone is in, I think, very urgent. Okay. So is this point clear? What happened to the amount which is not in active or dormant account, which is not there in the active or dormant account? So your money will be transferred directly to the DAF fund. Money they will transfer either to the DAF fund, or bank will not only directly closing these account randomly, that let's close the account. It's their responsibility. They need to inform to the depositors first, that sir, your account is getting closed now, your account is dormant account, it is not in use. So if you have certain balance, remove it out, close your account. So it is a type of situation where bank have lots of tasks. They need to connect with the customer to inform them about the account is not in use, either use it or close it down, shut it down. Okay, so bank need to inform to customer also about that they will be closing the account, and if there is some amount, the customer can withdraw it. If the account is not in use for the duration of more than 10 years, that will also get closed down now, shut down now. Money will transfer to the DAF fund. So वो पैसा DAF fund में transfer कर देंगे, ठीक है? So it will improve the financial safety. Second, improve the banking system efficiency. Reason? A bank shows data that we have around 40 crore accounts. 40 crore accounts, but how many out of 40 crore accounts are active, are used, are in use? So that will also increase. So actual number we start getting properly once these use less accounts are, or the account which not in use will get closed. So we'll get a better number. Okay. Encourage the digital banking. The new rule promote the customer to shift toward the internet banking, those who are not using. So they will do the eKYC and all. eKYC and all, right? Enhance the compliance with KYC. Customer will understand the importance of KYC. That okay, if we are not using the bank account for the duration of 2 years, we need to go for the eKYC or KYC. And once the customer will do KYC, then the account will come back to the use. Customer will continue to use it. So RBI is not saying close the account. RBI is saying that close the account where customer is not responding. Close the account where customer is not responding around the about the account. Then close it. Otherwise, communicate with the customer, ask them to reactivate it, ask them to do the re-KYC, use it continuously. Otherwise, close it. This is what RBI is saying. Implication for the customer. Customer will need to ensure that their accounts are active with regular transaction to avoid having their account categorized as dormant or inactive. So this is the responsibility of customer. New rule will encourage customer to update their KYC detail, use online banking services. Impact on banking industry. RBI decision is a step toward the modernization of the banking industry, improving security, efficiency, and the customer experience. So these are the important points, guys, for the interview. Upcoming bank interview, especially for the IBPS PO, UBI LBO, for these interview it is going to be very important. Is my point clear? Yeah, perfect. Harshit, for Harish, for that Mull Hunter was already launched by RBI. Parallelly, Mull Hunter is working. So if any account is used as a Mull account, that is not used by the actual owner of the account and some other person or some other party is using it. So based on the different type of transaction pattern, Mull Hunter AI will identify this is a Mull account. Then bank will take the action over it. So that is a parallelly Mull Hunter AI is already working. So your point is correct. Sir, if one account is used as a Mull account, it will be active account, correct? That is will be active account. But Mull Hunter AI will identify that it is a Mull account, and after that bank need to take action over it. Is my point clear, Harish? Yes. Next one, second news. Reserve Bank of India introduced lookup facility for NEFT and RTGS. Now, what is the meaning of lookup facility? A very simple concept. Lookup facility is in your phone pay application, mobile, any other application which you are using for UPI. If you will put my mobile number, right? If you are putting my mobile number, that this is the mobile number of Aditya sir, and I should put this mobile number, and I want to transfer certain amount to Aditya sir. So the moment you will put my mobile number, you will be able to see my full name, account holder Aditya Dubey. So you will get confirmed. Yes, this is the account number of Aditya sir, or this is the mobile number of Aditya sir. It is linked with the account number of Aditya sir. Am I right? You are able to see the name, or on the QR, by the QR code also, when you will scan on a shop, you are able to see the name of the shop owner or name of the account holder of the shop. So you are able to see the name, and by that you are able to make confirmation that yes, you are transferring money to the correct place, not at a wrong place. This is called lookup facility. This is called a lookup facility, where before transferring money, you can make a confirmation that your money is getting transferred at a correct place. This is called lookup facility. Lookup facility was there in UPI. It was there in IMPS, but lookup facility was not available in RTGS and NEFT. So now lookup facility will be applicable in the NEFT and RTGS by April 1st, 2025. It was a guideline that was announced by Reserve Bank of India in October 2024 in MPC, Monetary Policy Committee meeting. So Monetary Policy Committee meeting October 2024, this facility was announced by Reserve Bank of India. By April 2025, NPCI will implement it. This is what the point is. Currently, NEFT and RTGS do not allow remitter to view the beneficiary name before transferring fund, unlike UPI and IMPS, but it will be implemented soon. Is my point clear? Simple news, able to understand it. So by what is the deadline? Deadline is April 2025. Deadline is April 2025. NPCI is responsible for onboarding and developing the infrastructure. So NPCI is infrastructure पर काम करेगा, NPCI will implement it. Yes, चलो next अगला point. Yes, we discussed this news around 2 times before, because October month NPCI I have explained you. At that time I explained you this news, but it came back to the news with the deadline that April is the deadline for implementation of lookup facility NEFT and RTGS. So you should remember the deadline as well. Next one is RBI Innovation Hub, RBHI. In short, it is called, right? No, RBIH, RBI Innovation Hub. It is called like this. So RBIH, it is the 5th subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. It is the 5th subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, one of the 5 subsidiary. So RBI Innovation Hub, can you tell me where is the headquarter of RBI Innovation Hub? RBI Innovation Hub recently collaborated with VV5 Finance. VV5 Finance. This collaboration purpose providing the unsecured loan without collateral. What is the meaning of collateral? Security, which make loan transaction secure. So in car loan, car is the security. In home loan, home is the security. In gold loan, gold is the security. So security against which loan transaction made secure, that is called collateral. Without collateral means loan without collateral, like personal loan. Personal loan is a loan without collateral. Example just I am giving you. Okay, so unsecured loan or without collateral loan to gig workers. Who are gig workers? Gig workers are the cab hailing application drivers like Ola, Uber driver, or the drivers of this one, other such type of companies which are running in the different places in India. After that, food delivery employees of Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon delivery people, Myntra delivery people, such people, all they will come under the gig worker category. So this collaboration is done for the purpose of providing the collateral free loan to the gig workers. RBI Innovation Hub, very good. RBI Innovation Hub headquarter located in Bangalore. So headquarter of RBI Innovation Hub is located in Bangalore. So RBI Innovation Hub launched ULI. It was there in the news, guys. Few days before we have discussed ULI also. I think in the month of November we discussed it one more time. ULI was Unified Lending Interface. Unified Lending Interface is a digital public infrastructure designed to provide lender means bank, NBFCs, to access the crucial financial, non-financial and alternative data regarding informed credit decisions. So bank will be able to collect all the information of Aditya at one place, at ULI, Unified Lending Interface. I can apply for loan at ULI, at Unified Lending Interface. Lots of bank and NBFCs are available at one place where I'll apply. I'll upload my data. All the bank and NBFCs will be able to assess my data, that based on Aditya profile, based on Aditya transaction, what will be the best rate of interest we can offer him, what is the maximum loan amount we can offer him. So I will be able to get lots of lenders as an option of, and lenders will get the better customer for offering the lending facility with the different type of advantages at lower rate of interest and all based on the customer profile. So this platform is called ULI, Unified Lending Interface. It was launched by Reserve Bank of India and in the collaboration with RBI Innovation Hub. Currently 36 lenders including bank and NBFCs are already there on ULI. अब याद रखना है number is important. How many banks and customers are there on ULI platform at present? So there are approximately 36 lenders are there on this platform at present. तो 36 lenders इस पर available है, ठीक है. RBI Innovation Hub initially launched public tech platform for the frictionless credit to develop end-to-end solution for agriculture loan. The platform, this public tech platform, was renamed as Unified Lending Interface. So previously it was called Public Tech Platform, then it was renamed to Unified Lending Interface and entered into the pilot project in August 2023. So that was the Unified Lending Interface. So ULI will also be utilized for the purpose of offering the loan to the gig workers. Another news, third one, important one. Everything is clear, guys, up to here? Yeah, everything is clear up to here. Perfect. Next one. Moving to the next news then. Moving to the next news. Indian Bank gross bad loan ratio may get up by March 2026 as per the RBI report. RBI report is saying that NPA may increase again back by March 2026. Not this year, but by next year. This is what the report of RBI is. Point number one, what is the name of report? Report name is Gross Bad Loan Ratio in proportion to the best assets of total loan. So RBI issues a report based on gross bad loan ratio. Gross bad loan ratio in proportion to the bad assets to the loan. So gross bad loan ratio may increase. The RBI said that from 2.6% it may increase back to 3%. 2.6% was the lowest in the last 12 years. So 2.6% was the data as on September 2024. As on September 2024, gross NPA, the total NPA of the banking industry, average, on an average, it was 2.6%. It may increase back to 3. It will further may increase back to 3 by March 2026 if banks will not be able to manage it properly. Although RBI have taken the report name is Financial Stability Report. This report issues twice in a year. ये 2 बार issue होती है report एक साल में. In 1 year, this report issues by RBI twice. So Financial Stability Report, in that report RBI says that the bad loan ratio may increase to 5% and 5.3% under the two separate high risk scenarios if the risk will not be managed by the bank properly. Minimum capital requirement is 9%, that is CRAR. Bank need to maintain 9%. Financial Stability Report issues twice a year by Central Bank of India based on the financial sector regulator. So what RBI say? Just a second. Just a second. So what RBI said that, I'm audible, right? So RBI said that RBI have already taken lots of decisions last year. Over the last 1 year, RBI warned financial sector in multiple ways that come back to a proper track. Don't focus more on the very risky loans. That customer, those who does not get that proper profile, do not offer loan to them. Don't offer uncollateral loan to the NBFCs also. Banks are providing heavy loan to NBFCs and NBFCs further offer them in the market without any collateral at higher rate of interest. Bank offer to NBFCs. So do not offer such type of loan. RBI already have taken so many decisions last year. Still, RBI expectation is that the gross NPA may increase up to 3% by March 2026. This was the report by RBI. So main points I have told you. MCQs we are going to discuss in the upcoming days. Don't worry about that. Clear? Yeah. Moving to the next one. State Bank of India Life to acquire 10% stake. SBI Life to acquire 10% in Bima Sugam. So maybe you remember Bima Trinity. Bima Trinity. Bima Trinity was the combination of Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak and Bima Vistar. Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak and Bima Vistar. Okay, so this combination is called what? Bima Trinity. इसी combination को कहा गया है Bima Trinity. Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak and Bima Vistar. So Bima Sugam is a platform. In a very simple manner, I'll explain you. Bima Sugam is a platform. Digital platform, where very similar to Policy Bazaar. Let's take a Policy Bazaar example. If you have ever opened the Policy Bazaar, where you are able to see the different insurance company, insurance product offered by them, their settlement ratio and all. So all these things now you can check over Bima Sugam also. Bima Vahak are similar to the agent of LIC. So very similar to the LIC agent, people get recruited in the market, they will be called Bima Vahak. So Bima Vahak will work in the market to increase the awareness regarding the insurance product. They will convince the people to buy the insurance product. They will be called individual Bima Vahak and corporate Bima Vahak. Corporate Bima Vahak appointed by company, individual Bima Vahak appointed by corporate Bima Vahak. Such type of concept they have created. Simply for you, they are a type of agent. What is the advantage of working as a Bima Vahak? Bima Vahak will get the commission over the insurance policy. A good number of commission they will be able to get on the insurance policy. And advantage for company is Bima Vahak will increase the reach of insurance product. So that will be Bima Vahak. Bima Vistar. Bima Vistar is a type of insurance product, a consolidated insurance product where you will be able to get the life insurance, home insurance, property insurance, health insurance at one place. सारा इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट एक जगह पर बनाकर कंपनी दे देगी आपको. That is the type of Bima Vistar. Expansion, Bima expansion. So that is the initiative of Bima Vistar. So these are the three things. Bima Sugam is the digital platform with the e-insurance account where all your insurance policy will be consolidated at one place. So this is what Bima Sugam is. A consolidated platform, digital platform where you can hold all your insurance policy, you can buy the insurance policy, you can hold the insurance policy digitally. Clear? Now SBI Life acquire 10% stake. 10% stake in Bima Sugam. Bima Sugam में 10% stake कौन purchase कर रहा है? SBI Life. It was launched by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Now SBI Life is investing 6.6 crore rupee and buying the 10% stake into this. Bima Sugam India Federation is an unlisted company which was formed on June 18, 2024. So last year, June 18, 2024, Bima Sugam was formed as a company. It is a digital platform and the investment made in the form of cash. Now SBI Life acquired 10% stake into that. In the month of October, we read a news. Mr. Prashun Sikdar, this name, and definitely very important name. Mr. Prashun Sikdar appointed as the first managing director and CEO of Bima Sugam. Bima Sugam के पहले managing director and CEO appoint हुए Mr. Prashun Sikdar for the duration of 3 years. Appointment was confirmed by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Here you have the definition of Bima Sugam. I've already explained you what is Bima Sugam, so it is not going to be a challenge for you. I hope the news is clear. Next one. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance partnered with Reinsurance Group of America to launch a unique health insurance product. This unique health insurance product offered for targeting the women health in India. So ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance recently launched a health insurance product. इन्होंने launch किया एक health insurance product. Because it is a life insurance company, life insurance company is not allowed to offer health insurance. That is why ICICI Prudential have done the collaboration with Reinsurance Group of America, which is a non-life insurance company. So life insurance company done the collaboration with non-life insurance company to launch a health insurance. health insurance comes under non-life insurance or general insurance category. That is why health insurance product cannot be offered by life insurance company directly. They need to do the collaboration with some other general insurance company to offer this product. Now this life insurance company have launched health insurance for the women health category, category, covering the critical health insurance and surgery. So it will cover the major type of diseases or critical diseases in women, like breast cancer, cervical cancer, after that uterine cancer and heart alignment. So all these major disease will be covered under this. ICICI Prudential offer a premium guarantee of 30 year, helping the customer to plan their premium in a better way. It allows customer to take the premium sabbaticals up to 12 months during the premium term. Means you can take a break of up to 12 months, that for the next 12 months I don't want to pay the premium, then also it will work. So this is what the news regarding ICICI Prudential, with which company it have collaborated, what type of product the company have launched. Important questions. Clear है भाई? हाँ चलो, जिन लोग select हो गए हैं, those who got selected, very soon what you need to do, open a demat account, start making a small investment with SIP, start from the blue chip companies or blue chip mutual funds. Blue chip means which are safe and secure but give you returns in long term. And second, buy one health insurance or life insurance. If your bank will be providing you health insurance, then it is fine. Otherwise, buy a health insurance as well as a life insurance. Life insurance means term insurance, not ULIP and all, always term insurance. So those who got selected, start planning your investment also. अपने investments plan करना है, start कर देना, ठीक है? If you need a video from my side that yes, we need Aditya sir only to tell us little bit about investment, I'll let you know about that also, don't worry. CBDT, Central Board of Directors have extended Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024 by one more month from 31st of December till 31st of January 2025. Previous deadline was 31st December 2024. Now the new deadline is 31st of January 2025. Vivad Se Vishwas means, for example, there is a challenge with my income tax payment. Income tax department issues any type of notice on my name, and I am saying that no, I have paid correct. So there is a dispute between income tax department and individual regarding the income tax payment. This dispute can be resolved with the support of a scheme called Vivad Se Vishwas. So any dispute regarding the tax payment between CBDT, individual and party and company can be resolved with the support of Vivad Se Vishwas. This scheme have been extended till 31st of January 2025. If individual knows this, still they are not proceeding to CBDT to resolve this dispute and make the payment before 31st of January 2025, then from 1st of Feb they need to pay additional 10% penalty. So their overall payment plus 10% penalty will increase. So if the payment is due as 2 lakh, then they need to pay 2,20,000 rupee from 1st of February. This is what the major challenge and issue will create in front of the taxpayers. So by 31st of January 2025, a person can make the payment without this 10% additional penalty. After 1st of February, 10% additional penalty will be imposed over it. Next one, who can unveil Vivad Se Vishwas with the appellate authority? So individual taxpayers can unveil it. You can reach out to the Commissioner Appellate, Dispute Resolution Panel, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, High Court, Supreme Court, Call to the Action Taxpayers. So all these can offer this Vivad Se Vishwas scheme. Appointments पर आते हैं. Mr. Vitul Kumar appointed as Officiating Director General of CRPF. That is the additional charge. Not actually appointed on the DG position, have given the additional charge or have given the officiating position, that currently you will officiate until the new person will appointed permanently on this position, or you will be appointed on this position permanently. There is a possibility that maybe Mr. Vitul Kumar sir will get appointed, but further order will be issued by the appointment committee of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So appointment committee of cabinet need to give the final approval. Right now an ad hoc basis arrangement have been done. Vitul Kumar sir, 1993 batch IPS officer from the Uttar Pradesh cadre, have been appointed as officiating Director General of CRPF Central Reserve Police Force following the retirement of Mr. Anish Dayal Singh on 31st of December 2024. So Anish Dayal Singh sir जो है इनका अपॉइंटमेंट हो गया है and he was serving as a special director of CRPF. He was serving as a special director of CRPF till now. Now he will be taking the position. Let's see who will be appointed next Director General of CRPF. Currently, Chief of Defence Staff is Mr. Anil Kumar Chauhan. Army Chief is Mr. Upen Dwivedi. Air Chief Marshal Mr. Amarpreet Singh. Then Deputy Chief of Air Staff Marshal Tajinder Singh. Navy Chief Dinesh Kumar Tripathi sir, and NS Raja Subramani, Vice Chief of Army Staff. Then Rahul Rastoga, ITBP. CRPF Vitul Kumar sir appointed recently. ठीक है, Rahul Rastoga sir. BRO Border Road Organization Mr. Raghu Srinivasan. Daljit Singh Chaudhary sir. BSF Border Security Force. BSF में अपॉइंट हुए हैं मिस्टर दलजीत सिंह चौधरी BSF में. Nalin Prabhat, NSG National Security Guard. After that, Sadhana Nair ma'am became the first woman Director General of Indian Army. Then Aarti Sharan ma'am, first Director General for the Armed Force Medical Services. So these are the major appointments in the upcoming days. Also, we are going to cover it. Clear है यहाँ तक सब? आगे आ जाओ. KN Renuka Pujar became the first transgender person to be appointed as the guest lecturer at the University of Karnataka, specifically Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Dev Rai University. So KN Renuka ji have been appointed as the first transgender person to be appointed on the position of guest lecturer in the University of Karnataka. This is also one more appointment, important appointment from the national news category. I am getting late for the school now. So there are few more news which are there in the PDF. From tomorrow morning exactly at 8 AM I'll start the session. I'm getting late by 5 minutes due to updations and all. I'll not wait for 5 minutes. Exactly at 8 o'clock I'll start the session from tomorrow. So by 9 o'clock we'll be able to wind up the news. Sorry from my side that I missed a few news today in the session. But from tomorrow we'll cover it in depth, in detail, all the other news as well. Thank you for joining the session today. Again, big congratulations to all the selected candidates, and those who not selected, remember my message and my motivation to all of you that you are already there, near to the selection. Just you need a little push. So focus on your preparation one more time. Do not miss daily current affairs. That is important for all of you, and prepare well. 2025 will definitely give you one of the best result of your life. Be positive toward the year 2025. Thank you for joining the session. I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Till that time, keep watching Guidely for the PDF.